Who is the real villain in the climate change saga? Is it the animals we share this planet with, or is it us, the humans? Brace yourselves, as the answer might not be as simple as it seems. Every living being on Earth contributes to the carbon cycle. But it's the excessive carbon dioxide emissions that tip the scale towards global warming. As of today, human activities emit around 40 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere annually. A staggering figure indeed. On the other hand, let's consider our bovine friends. A single cow produces an average of 70 to 120 kilograms of methane per year. Now, methane is a potent greenhouse gas with a global warming potential 25 times greater than carbon dioxide over 100 years. But even with approximately 1 billion cows on the planet, their combined methane emissions are but a fraction of human-induced carbon dioxide emissions. But what about our domestic pets? Surely they must be contributing to carbon emissions. A study from UCLA in 2017 suggested that pets in the United States create the equivalent of 64 million tons of carbon dioxide per year. That's equivalent to driving over 30 million cars for a year, yet it still pales in comparison to the overall human carbon footprint. So it seems we might be the real villains here. But should we despair? Not quite. There are viable solutions at hand. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is one effective way to reduce our carbon footprint. Today, renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power account for nearly a quarter of global electricity production. A significant leap from merely a decade ago. Changes in dietary habits can also have a profound impact. A study published in the journal Science in 2018 revealed that a global shift towards plant-based diets could reduce food's greenhouse gas emissions by as much as 70% by 2050. And then there's carbon capture and storage, a technology that captures carbon dioxide emissions from sources like coal-fired power plants and either reuses or stores it, so it won't enter the atmosphere. To summarize, while animals do contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, it is human activities that are the main culprit. But it's not all doom and gloom. By transitioning to renewable energy, altering dietary habits and investing in carbon capture technology, it is possible to significantly reduce our carbon footprint. In the end, it's not about pointing fingers, but about taking responsibility. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the ability to change. The question is, will we choose to do so? Perhaps it's time to stop playing the villain and start being the heroes in this climate change saga.